You won't believe what tape can really do. 1. Slide tape onto a paint roller. Press it to the floor and push forward. With the roller's pressure, the tape sticks smooth and fast. 2. Wrap tape around a drill bit. When drilling, it marks the exact depth, so you'll never go too far. 3. Wrap a strip of clear tape on your wrist, not too tight, on long rides or trips. It helps stop motion sickness. 4. Lay 2 strips of clear tape across your phone screen. Trim the edges along the frame. Press out the bubbles, and you've got an instant screen protector. 5. Drilling into smooth steel pipes? Stick some tape on first. Now the bit stays steady without slipping. 6. Thread wire through a strip of tape. Bend and twist the wire once. Cut it at an angle with pliers, and you can seal a box, no scissors needed. 7. Cutting wood with a jigsaw leaves rough edges? Put tape along the line first. The cut stays clean with no splinters. 8. Stick tape to the bottom of your broom. As you sweep, it grabs hair and dust. When you're done, just peel off the tape. 9. Fix a nail in your drill. Stick tape to the nail. Spin it 10 turns around. For those tight spots, it's the easiest way to wrap tape.